going on, everyone? I got a 2025 Hyundai Tucson here, and we're going to open up the key fob and replace the battery if needed. It's really simple with this new key fob. If we look on the left side here, there's a slot that's perfect for a small flathead screwdriver. Let's go ahead and put it in here like this. Give it a little bit of a turn, okay, and that opens it up without damaging the remote. And then you can go around and gently pry it open and up, okay? So the top part is where it actually latches, so you want to get up there, crack it open, and that exposes the battery here. To get the battery out, we just slide it out, but we got to go ahead and get it past the seal here first. So we actually need to take the board out. Just be really gentle with the board, pop it out so we can get over this seal here like that, and then you just slide the battery out of the circuit board holder like this. Okay, so the battery size is a CR2450 with the positive sign facing out towards us. You can see the sign here, there's a sign right here. Slide the new one in. If you need one, there's a link down in the description box where you can get one from Amazon, so check that out. It's going to be the correct size for this remote. Get the board, stick it back in here, make sure it goes all the way down. Get the back half, and all you got to do is just click and lock it back together, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could, or even subscribe. Hope to see you again in another Hyundai video.